Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys a method how to make your car sound, your RC car sound like if it was shifting. So if you have an RC car that's like this, mine's a Speed Pioneer 118 scale, really good suspension. I have another channel, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get access to it. By the way, it's really sunny out here. I can barely stand the heat. It's really hot. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. By the way, I have it on full speed. Oh, it's really hot. So, let's get started. Turn on the car real quick. If you have one of these, tell me in the comments below. Let's get this video to 10 likes, 5 likes. I don't really care how many likes I get on my first video. I just care if it's about 5 likes. It's so hot, the tape on my car is actually coming off because I have no pins and I can't buy any. So yeah, as you can see, it drives pretty fast. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go like this. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go like that. You're gonna do throttle and then let go for like 1 second and then do it again, not too long, and then keep on doing it. And then to downshift, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go. Oh, I didn't know if y'all saw that, but you're gonna do the throttle, and then once you're accelerating and then you let go of the throttle, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times you did the throttle when you were accelerating? So I did 3 right there. So all I have to do is do. That's all I have to do. So pretty cool. Oh, it's really hot. Y'all do not know how hot it is over here in Georgia. Right now, I'm pretty sure it's about 94 degrees. But yeah, that's how you make your car sound like if it was shifting. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Remember, 5 likes will make my day. And subscribe. My goal in a whole year is 100 subscribers. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.